Organizing and managing large data is not an easy job. Even more difficult is to find the best solution to a problem involving large data sets. A systematic approach to organize and manage the large data saves time, money, and energy and results in efficient decisions by maximizing the gains and minimizing the losses. This video will introduce a technique to help decision makers take the best decisions. A program is defined as a sequence of activities that are taken to accomplish a certain task or attain a particular goal. The process of planning, scheduling, or performing of a program is called programming. We generally use the term programming to mean computer programming. But here, the term comes from the use of a program by the US military that refers to training and logistic scheduling. The concept of linear programming is a part of mathematical programming or mathematical optimization that refers to the selection of the best alternative from a set of alternatives. The history of linear programming dates back to 1827 when Joseph Fourier initiated a mathematical algorithm for eliminating variables from a system of linear inequalities. Usually, the term algorithm is used in computers. It is a stepwise process of calculation or a set of rules in solving a problem. According to literature, in 1939, during the Second World War, Soviet economist Leonid Kantorovich formulated a general linear programming problem to plan expenditures and returns of the army in order to reduce the cost and losses imposed by the enemy. Systematic development of computer programs to solve optimization problems led to the development of mathematical programming. Let us explore the contributions to the development in linear programming. After Leonid's formulation of the general problem, T.C. Koopmans formulated classical economic problems as linear programs, after which Leonid and Koopmans shared the Nobel Prize in Economics for their work on the theory of optimum allocation of resources. Frank Loren Hitchcock formulated the transportation problem. George Danzig developed a simplex algorithm for solving linear programming problems. John von Neumann proposed theory of duality in linear programming. Narendra Karmakar, an Indian mathematician, developed the Karmakar algorithm that is helpful in business and policy decision making. There are other branches of mathematical programming such as nonlinear programming, quadratic programming, convex programming, integer programming, and stochastic programming to solve complex problems. In this course, only linear programming is being discussed. So, master the technique of linear programming and see your business or profession rise to great heights.